All right, hello everyone. So hopefully this video works. So as everybody knows, I'm not going to be in again today because of my son's daycare being closed. I just wanted to take a few minutes to just go over what your agenda is today and what I want to get done. So it's pretty straightforward. The first part of today's class, we are going to practice lenses again, and you're going to work it together in groups to become familiar with the terms and the different kind of things you should be considering when you're starting to look through the different lenses when you're considering any issue or any topic or any theme. And so today you're going to go back to the space race, I decided, because I'm not there. And so you're going to take out, if you could, JFK's space race speech. Don't worry, you don't have to go over the whole thing. You don't have to read it again. You've already read it and a couple times. And on Canvas, there's going to be a video I'm going to ask for you to watch. It's about a 3-minute video. So you're going to familiarize yourself with the space race, and what essentially you're going to do, you're going to open up the assignment. All the directions are going to be there. So I do ask that you actually read through the directions, but essentially you're going to work into groups. You're going to familiarize yourself with the space race, and then you can consider the topic of the space race through 4 different lenses. And you're essentially going to do what we did as a whole class on the board with immigration on Wednesday, where we just kind of considered different questions somebody would ask or different things people would consider if you looked through a topic through different lenses. And so you're going to be looking through a political lens, a futuristic lens, a social lens, and a scientific lens. And so each of you, I'm going to ask, you can work in groups, but I'd like you to all submit your own work. And so there's also questions about stakeholders as well. And so the more information you put down, the more I can review over the weekend. And this part is not for a grade, but it'll give me a baseline of where we're at, and it'll be able to springboard the discussion that I'd like to start having on Tuesday, where we talk a lot more about perspective. And because this is we're about 25-30% into the conversation on on lenses, and and I want to know if what confusion is out there, if there is any. And so this assignment will help me with that. So please, I'd ask you guys to get that done and submit your work. When all that is done, please go back to the novel reading. I was going to actually do 2 assignments with lenses today, one with the space race and one with education. Both would be valuable to me, but I decided that, instead of having you all read over the long weekend, I would give you some time in class. So I'm not saying on Tuesday we're going to do anything with the novel itself, but I will have an assignment about the novel, a short one, on Tuesday. So my expectation, as well as Ms. Bergeron's, is that the novel is read on Tuesday. So when we do use it, and we will be using it shortly, we can. So please get that done for Tuesday. That is an expectation for this class. All right. So please get your work done in groups. It can be done individual, of course, but this does not need to be that. I feel collaboration is helpful here. Have a good weekend, and I will see you all on Tuesday. Bye.